السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله كفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد. Good morning, respected principal teachers and my dear friends. My name is Reshma Kaenat, studying class Dora Hadith. Wish to give a speech on the Republic Day celebration. A very good morning to one and all present here. As you all know, we have gathered here to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of India, the annual celebration of Republic Day, which falls on January 26th, is a major celebration in India. On this day, India became a sovereign democratic republic day, marking a watershed moment in Indian history. It marks the day when our nation adopted its constitution, a significant milestone in our history. The journey towards the adoption of the Constitution began soon after India gained independence on August 15, 1947. A committee was established and on August 29, 1947, a Constituent Assembly was convened with the task of writing a new constitution for the country. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed as the leader of this group, and over the course of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, the Constitution was drafted. On January 26, 1950, the Constitution was officially proclaimed. This day holds a special significance as it is also the day when the proclamation of Purna Swaraj was made in 1930 and Jawaharlal Nehru was elected as the leader of the India National Congress. During Republic Day celebration, patriotism and love for our nation are at the forefront. The main celebration takes place in the capital, New Delhi, with a grand parade. The President of India holds the national flag is raised, salutes the tricolor and gives a speech at the center of the celebration at Rajpath, which is now renamed as Kartavya Path. Now, let's take a look into how Republic Day is celebrated across the nation. People across the country participating in cultural programs and patriotic events to celebrate this day. The national flag is raised and the national anthem is sung in schools, madrasa, institutions and private and government workplaces all around the country to commemorate Republic Day. As Indian citizens, we have the power to shape the future of our country, and by actively participating in the celebration of Republic Day and affirming its values, we can play a vital role in shaping the future of a nation. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ وَالسَّلَامُ عَلَيْكُمْ.